In the heart of the desert, under the watchful gaze of the setting sun, there lived a coyote named Coyote Wise. His neighbor was Coyote Foolish, a mischievous creature who loved nothing more than causing trouble. One day, a great drought swept across the desert, turning the once lush landscape into a barren wasteland. The scorching heat and lack of water made survival difficult for all creatures. Coyote Wise, knowing the importance of water, set out to find a water source. Coyote Foolish, on the other hand, thought the drought was a joke and continued to play and waste water as he always did. He laughed at Coyote Wise, calling him foolish for his efforts. Days turned into weeks, and the desert grew more parched. Coyote Wise returned with news of a hidden oasis, a source of water that could sustain them all. The creatures celebrated, but Coyote Foolish continued to scoff. Coyote Foolish, in his ignorance, drank all the water from the oasis in one day. The next day, he was weak and unable to move. The other creatures looked on in disbelief as Coyote Foolish lay lifeless on the ground. Coyote Wise, seeing the outcome of Coyote Foolish's actions, approached the lifeless creature. He gently whispered, "Knowledge and wisdom are the keys to survival. You were too busy playing to see the truth." With a sigh, Coyote Wise led the remaining creatures to the oasis. They drank their fill and began to recover. The desert slowly regained its lushness, and the creatures learned a valuable lesson. In the end, Coyote Wise was remembered as the savior of the desert, while Coyote Foolish was a reminder of the consequences of foolishness. The tale of Coyote Wise and Coyote Foolish serves as a reminder to us all: wisdom is a precious commodity, and ignorance can be devastating.